December 9th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Match the missing conversion Tetras pieces to their correct fits. So we are going to take a look at our conversion chart from our previous pages in our slides, and we are also going to convert it to, we're going to use those conversions to convert these cups and pints and quarts and ounces and gallons. Okay, so first off, let's take a look. We have we have 16 fluid ounces. Let's take a look. 16 ounces. What is 16 ounces? That's 1 pound. But what if we look at down here, fluid ounces? So if we're looking with fluid ounces, 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So if I have 2 cups, that'll be 16 fluid ounces. So if I have 2 cups, that's going to be 16 fluid ounces. So we are going to match our Tetras. Beep, 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 boop, boop, boop. There we go. So that piece goes there. Awesome. Let's take a look at the next one. Well, yes, this 4 quarts. Let's hope that goes into 8 pints. So let's look at quarts and pints. Well, 1 quart equals 2 pints. So if I have 2 quarts, that'll be 4 pints. 3 quarts, that'll be 6 pints. 4 quarts, that will be 8 pints. Woohoo! So that one is correct. All right, now let's take a look at the next one. There we go. So we have pints and gallons here. Let's take a look. What is our gallons? 1 gallon is 4 quarts. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So what would 2 gallons be? 2 gallons would be 8 quarts. 8 quarts. Now, last but not least, we have 3 pints and 6 cups. Let's take a look at pints and cups. 1 pint is 2 cups. So if we have 2 pints, that'll be 4 cups. And then 6 pints will be, or 3 pints will be our 6 cups. Boop, 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 boop. And there we have it. There's our vocab. Great job.